Hello buddies, dear friend, and welcome back to the Asab Trading channel. I am Asab, your humble host and professional trader in the world of binary options with over 7 years of trading experience. Today I'm excited to share with you a super simple and profitable trading strategy that will help you increase your deposit quickly and with minimal risk. But before we dive into that, I want to remind you that the crypto world is currently experiencing an active pump zone, and our team has been doing quite well with futures and spot trading on Bitcoin. These moments of heightened liquidity are perfect for active trading, so don't forget to stay engaged and trade every day. When you share your success stories with me, it fills me with pride and reinforces my commitment to this endeavor. So please don't forget to like and comment on this video, it means a lot to me. Now let's get started, guys. First, let's set up our parameters. We'll be using a time frame of 5 minutes, and the indicators for today's strategy will be CCI indicator, boost power indicator, and envelopes indicator. Ensure that your settings match mine precisely. The expiration time for this strategy will be 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay guys, now let's take a look at the Euro GBP currency pair. I'll be entering a downward position, and let me explain the details to you, my friends. To understand this strategy, we'll rely on a sequence of indicators. Starting with the CCI indicator, it helps us identify trends. It consists of two lines representing support and resistance, along with a line that moves along the edges of these levels. If the CCI line crosses one of the support or resistance line and moves upward, it is a signal to enter a long position. Conventionally, if the CCI line crosses one or both of these lines and moves downwards, it is a signal to enter a short position indicating a downward movement. In our case, the CCI line is in the lower range, indicating a bearish trend. Everything looks clean here. Next, we'll look at the boost power indicator. It is simple yet effective. The line either points upwards or downwards. It serves as a great checkpoint to confirm the signal from our first indicator. In our case, the boost power indicator line clearly points downwards, alleging increase our bearish outlook. Lastly, we turn to envelopes indicator, which consists of three lines indicating the local trend. If all these lines are pointing upwards, it is a signal of an upward local trend, and vice versa. In our case, all three lines confirm a downward trend. Is all three indicators pointing in the same direction? We just need to wait for our profit, my friends. And so what we can see, we see that the price not at our side, guys, but it is not scary, guys. I assure you that this first trade will be in our pocket, guys. Definitely, just trust me, guys. Just trust me. And so if you watch for CCI indicator, we can see that this line can downward zone. It is signal for downward position. If we watch for boost power, this picture is the same like the CCI indicator. Boost power shows us a downward direction for this line. For this line, boost power, and it is the same picture with CCI indicator, guys. And so if you watch for three lines of envelopes indicator, we can see that this line shows us a downward direction, and all will be okay. I think it is crazy emotions, guys. Today market very hot, very hot. And we definitely must understand that every time will be changed, you know. And in this practice, in this case, in this trade, you can see that the price very quick jumping, and it is not good, guys, but it is just trading, you know. It is just trading. It is for 3-5 seconds will be everything change, everything, guys. And you must be ready for this prediction, for this situation, guys, for this suitable situation. And in this case, I just assure you that all will be okay, guys. Yes, a little bit nervous, yes, but all trading is nervous, guys. All trading, you just must understand this. Good, guys, very good to catch this profit, guys. It is very good. Okay, guys, the currency pair remains the same, interesting downward position. Let me explain it in more detail. The situation here is quite similar to the previous trade. Looking at the CCA indicator, we see that the line is still in the lower range and pointing downward, indicating a signal to enter a bearish trend. Similarly, if we examine the Bull's power indicator, we observe that its line mirrors the position of the CCA indicator, signaling a downward position. And of course, if we check the envelopes indicator, all three of its lines are clearly pointing downwards, confirming our entry point and the direction of the trend. This is fantastic. If you are a novice or even if you have some experience in binary option trading, you can trade based on a signal for free with the chance to receive a promo code to double your initial deposit. All you need to do is subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, and join my private channel where I share between 6 to 16 trading signals per day. Just message me, teach me privately, and I'll provide you with more detailed information and help turn many of your financial dreams into reality. Hurry, sport are limited, and join us now and start earning right after watching this video, guys. And you must be in our side, guys. What we can see, we see the clear picture, guys. It is very clear picture. I love this picture, guys. You know this. CC indicator shows us a downward direction with this line, with this very not good line. And so if we watch for Bull's power indicator, we can see that this line just fallen down, guys. It is crazy. Just shows us a downward direction. It is very good, guys. It is very good. It is this signal for very truly identified direction. And so we identify direction right. And so, if we watch for three lines and envelopes indicator, we can see that this line shows us a downward direction too. It is very clear signal, guys. Just look at this price and outside, and so it is very good. It is just amazing. It is just delightful, guys. Just look at this. Look at this, 2 minutes for finish this deal. And so we're just waiting for our profit, guys, because it is very good. I think that this trading strategy working very well, guys. And so we must use trading strategy like this and like a lot of trading strategy on my YouTube channel. Not forget for this, just watch my video on YouTube channel, Asab trading channel. You know this channel, and so it is very good for me. And thank you for all, guys. And so we'll see that 2 minutes for finish. It is very good. It is not bad, guys. We just waiting for our profit. You know this, guys. We just waiting. I told you that this deal will be very good because 3 indicators shows us three clear signals, guys. Very clear signals, guys. Very clear signals, guys. Very clear signals, guys. so I can a little bit make the rap, you know, cause in the past I was a rapper, guys, and you can see this in my Instagram if you follow me to YouTube channel and follow me to Telegram group and VIP chat. You will be best guy in the world. And you can see in my Instagram that I was in the past a rapper, guys, and I'm told about binary option in my text. It is joke, okay. 30 minutes, 30 seconds, guys, 30 seconds, a little bit time, guys, you know this. Damn, it is our profit, guys. It is very good, I love this. Now we are looking at the US dollar Chinese yen currency pair. I'll be entering an upward position and let me explain it in more detail. And so, we are observing the CCA indicator and its line which is showing an upward movement. Therefore, we have made our decision. Next, we are looking at the bullish power indicator whose line indicates a smooth reversal towards a bullish movement, confirming our decision. And finally, we are considering the envelopes indicator which shows a local trend still in the lower range, but I'm confident that we have correctly identified our entry point. Now, all that left is to wait for our profit, guys. And so we see that the price in our side, it's okay, it's very good, guys. It's very good, guys, you know this shit. And so if you watch for CCI indicator, we can see that this indicator shows us a very clear signals for upward direction, guys, but it is not enough for us. If we watch for bullish power indicator, we can see that this indicator shows the same direction, guys, just the same direction, and this direction will be an upward trend. So it is very good, this very clear signals, guys, so it is very amazing. I don't know what to say. If we watch for envelopes indicator, we can see that this direction shows us downward direction, but it is not true, guys. It is very not true. Sometimes envelopes indicator shows not correct motion, but it is okay because the main indicator, it's CCI indicator and boost power. It is only this indicator, the main indicator, but in the finish you can see what shows the envelopes indicator. If this line just communicate with these signals, with signals of the CCI and boost power, it is will be okay, but it's not, it is too okay. Because this indicator shows just local trend, you know, guys, and local trend can change everything and every time, you know. And so in this case two indicators, CCI and boost power, will be very main indicator, you know, just guys, not low waiting, you know, but it is trading, guys, it is trading, it is hard trading, you know. And so 2 minutes for finish, guys. It is very favorable decision, guys. And so if we can see that we watch for envelopes indicator, when we watch for envelopes indicator, we can see that this direction for this line a little bit change and it will be reversal, guys. I just assure you that it will be reversal, and we were definitely right. 3 trade for today, it's 3rd trade for today, guys. It will be enough for me for this moment, guys, and I am just finished my trading session, guys. Trading session and trading session is over. And so yeah, catch this. Woo! $1,000 in my account, guys. 3 deal, you know this? It is crazy, I think. It's just fantastic, friend, and with just 3 trades, I have increased my deposit from $150 to $1,000. $34. Just imagine with only 3 trades I will already earn the money salary of a top manager. It's mind-blowing. And if you are tired of financial literacy, long working hours, and minimum wage, it's time to send all the way and start earning with me. If you are watching this video, it means you are already on the right path. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description. And until the next time, profit to everyone, hacks to all until the crunches.